Hello students, in previous lecture we see two examples on quantified statements. Now remaining two examples today we have to see. Here third example is here. For all x belongs to A, x square plus x is even number. Here set A is given, its objects are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Here collection is x belongs to A, means set A is our collection and condition is x square plus x is even number. Now see here solution third. Set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12 and our condition is x square plus x is even number. Now we see all the objects satisfies this condition or not, because here our quantifier is for all. Therefore we see here put x equal to 3. If we take x equal to 3, then find the value of x square plus x, means 3 square plus 3. 3 square is 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. Now we have to take value of x is next value 5. Therefore 5 square plus 5, 5 square is 25 plus 5 is 30. Now we take next object x equal to 7. Therefore 7 square plus 7, 7 square is 49 plus 7. Its sum is 56. Next object is 9, that is x equal to 9. 9 square plus 9, 9 square is 81, 81 plus 9, answer is 90. Next value x equal to 11. Then 11 square plus 11, 11 square is 121 plus 11, its sum is 132. And last object x equal to 12, that is 12 square plus 12. 12 square is 144 plus 12, its sum is 156. We take all values of x in set A, means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Then x square plus x, its value is 12, 30, 56, 90, 132, 156. Means its sum is even number. For all values of x, x square plus x is even number. This condition is satisfied. Therefore, we say that truth value of for all x belongs to A, x square plus x is even number. Its truth value is t. Therefore, we write here for all x, x square plus x is even number. Condition satisfied. Therefore, condition satisfied. Therefore, we say that its truth value is t. Here our quantifier is for all. For all असल्यामुळं सेट ए मधल्या सगळ्या एलिमेंटला दिलेली कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होते, त्यामुळं ह्या स्टेटमेंटचं ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू टी येते. हा एवढा भाग तुमचा रफ कॅल्क्युलेशन आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. हा सगळा भाग आपला रफ आहे, हे तुम्ही साईडला घेतलं तरी चालतंय, पण हे कॅल्क्युलेशन केल्याशिवाय तुम्ही हे पुढचं रिझल्ट लिहू शकत नाही. हे रफ आहे, तोंडी देखील तुम्ही करू शकता, कारण एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्सची किंमत इवन येते का हे चेक करण्यासाठी हे कॅल्क्युलेशन आहे. ओके, नाउ वी हॅव टू सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल. फॉर ऑल एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू ए, x is even number. Our collection is x belongs to A, means all values of x in set A, that is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Condition is x is even number. See, in set A, the objects are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Condition is x is even number. Here 12 is only even number and the remaining objects are odd number. Our quantifier is for all. All objects, if all objects are even, then its truth value is true. Otherwise false. Here only one object is even. We want all objects. Therefore, its truth value is false. Solution of example 4. I write here. Here in the set A, the object 12, here in the set A, the object 12 is even number and the remaining numbers are odd numbers. Therefore, truth value of for all x belongs to A, x is even number is false. सगळेच ऑब्जेक्ट्स इव्हन असतील तरच ट्रू, अदरवाईज फॉल्स. आता इथं सगळे नाही आहे, फक्त एकच ऑब्जेक्ट इव्हन आहे, पण कंडिशन आपल्याला फॉर ऑल आहे, त्यामुळं लक्षात घ्यायचं सगळे असतील तरच ट्रू. एक आहे म्हणून ट्रू लिहितो नाही चालत, सगळे आहेत का चेक करा. कारण एकच गोष्ट मी रिपीट करते कारण हा थोडासा कन्फ्यूज होतो म्हणून. सगळे असतील तर ट्रू, अदरवाईज फॉल्स. Therefore, truth value of x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A, x is even number, its truth value is yeah. Next, we have to see negation of quantified statement. See here, while writing the negation of quantified statement, we replace all by some, and second word is for every. Instead of for every, we say that for all. This word is replaced by there exist and vice versa. Whenever we write negation of any quantified statement, we changes the words. All word is replaced by word some. Some word is replaced by all. And second word, for every, for all. This word is replaced by there exist. Symbol for there exist is this. For all, its symbol is this. Now we have to see example. Question is, write the negation of the following statement. Example first. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Now we write negation of this statement. Negation लिहायचं आहे. the word all is replaced by the word some. Allच्या जागी काय लिहायचं? some. And whenever we write the negation, we put the word not. negation लिहिताना not हा शब्द घालायचा. मग काय होणार बघा? allच्या जागी काय लिहिणार आपण? some. some natural numbers are not whole numbers. समच्या जागी काय घातलं आपण? ऑलच्या जागी घातलं सम आणि निगेशनचा नॉट हा शब्द घातला. लक्षात येते? नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. सम ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल. Equilateral triangle. Here the word is sum. We replace the word sum by all. Therefore its negation is all triangles are not equilateral triangle. The word sum is replaced by all and the word not is negation. All triangles are not equilateral triangle. Now we have to take third example here. There exists x belongs to natural number n such that 2x plus 1 is odd. Here the symbol is there exists. Here we see for every is replaced by there exists and the word there exists is replaced by for all. Therefore negation of this example, negation of this statement is there exists is replaced by for all. For all x belongs to natural number n. Our statement is 2x plus 1 is odd. Its negation is 2x plus 1 is not odd. Here the symbol is there exists is replaced by for all and for negation we use the word not. Next example. For all n belongs to capital N means for all n belongs to natural number n plus 8 is greater than 11. In this statement, the quantifier is for all. This quantifier is replaced by there exists. Therefore, solution is there exists n belongs to natural number n such that given statement is n plus 8 is greater than 11. Its negation is n plus 8. Here the inequality is greater than. Its opposite equality is not greater than. Not greater than is nothing but less than or equal to. Next number 11. There exists n belongs to natural number n such that n plus 8 is less than or equal to 11. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये लक्षात येतं जेव्हा क्वांटिफाईड स्टेटमेंट असते क्वांटिफाईड स्टेटमेंटमध्ये फॉर ऑल देअर एक्झिस्ट ऑल सम असे वर्ड्स असतात. ऑल इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय दी वर्ड सम. सम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय ऑल अँड फॉर ऑल इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय देअर एक्झिस्ट. देअर एक्झिस्ट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय फॉर ऑल अँड निगेशन इज नॉट. अशा पद्धतीनं निगेशन्स लिहायचं. Now we have to see next 12 statement. You have to given a statement. You have to given a statement with logical connectives, conjunction, disjunction, conjunction and disjunction, and statement tautology T and contradiction C. तुम्हाला स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं असते त्यामध्ये लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स काय असणार आहेत? कंजक्शन, डिसजंक्शन, tautology T, contradiction C. Then we find 12 statement. How to find C here definition? Two statement two statements are said to be dual of each other, if one of them is obtained from other by interchanging with conjunction with disjunction and tautology T with contradiction C and vice versa. Whenever you write dual statement, we only interchange conjunction by disjunction, disjunction by conjunction, and tautology by contradiction and contradiction by tautology. Okay. Now we see example. First example is P conjunction Q disjunction R. This is our given statement. Now we write here its dual statement. Therefore here we say that question, write dual statement of each of following. Therefore its dual statement is next here P conjunction Q disjunction R. Here conjunction is replaced by disjunction and disjunction is replaced by conjunction. Therefore see here dual statement P disjunction Q conjunction R. Okay. Conjunction च्या जागी disjunction and disjunction च्या जागी conjunction घालायचं. Now we see second example T disjunction P disjunction second bracket P conjunction Q. Now we write here its dual statement. Dual statements here T is replaced by C. Therefore here we write C. Symbol is connective is disjunction. Disjunction is replaced by conjunction. C conjunction P. Next here again disjunction. Disjunction is replaced by conjunction. And in second bracket P conjunction Q. Here conjunction is replaced by disjunction. Therefore dual statement is C conjunction P conjunction second bracket P disjunction Q. T च्या जागी C conjunction च्या जागी disjunction, disjunction च्या जागी conjunction एवढे बदल करायचा. नेक्स्ट इज P disjunction negation Q. P disjunction negation Q. फक्त काय करायचं disjunctionच्या जागी conjunction घ्यायचं. मग 12 स्टेटमेंट काय येणार बघा. 12 स्टेटमेंट इज P conjunction negation Q. disjunctionच्या जागी काय घातलं आपण conjunction. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल इज C conjunction in bracket P disjunction R. Its dual statement is C is replaced by T. Conjunction is replaced by disjunction in bracket P disjunction R. P conjunction R. लक्षात येते एक्झाम्पलवरून पुन्हा एकदा 1 मिनिटात सांगते. 12 स्टेटमेंट लिहिताना कंजक्शनच्या जागी डिसजंक्शन सिम्बॉल घालायचा, डिसजंक्शनच्या जागी कंजक्शन, टीच्या जागी सी, सीच्या जागी टी एवढा बदल करायचा, बाकी काही बदल करायचं नाही. ओके.